All right. This is Dang Win.
Dang says.
Dang says doing a cinnamon challenge.
Do you need help with that?
Yeah, here. More.
Campbell said, fuck you.
Oh.
Really?
You're supposed to get a whole big old spoonful.
That's good. That's good. That's good.
Mountain top.
Hell no, fool. Look,
Mountain
let me
top.
spread that. Back.
No,
No,
no.
no.
No, that is
spoonful.
too much.
It's a spoonful. No. You're
It's
going
a
to do
spoonful.
This nigga sounds strong. Dang, says.
it. Yeah.
No, it's too much. It's too much. It's a spoonful.
Look at his face now. Ready? It's about to go in. It's right there. Eat that hoe. Come on.
Eat it. Swallow it.
Eat it.
Swallow it. It's not that bad, is it?
Eat it.
Eat it, fool.
Swallow it.
Man, it's fucking hot of it.
Yeah.
Oh, it is?
It just hurts your throat.
You can't drink for 30 minutes.
Look at that nigga's face.
Yo, look at that tongue in his mouth, yo. Hey, smile real quick. Smile real quick, yo.
Look at that nigga's face.
You look like you having a bad time, yo.
This is nasty.
Your teeth nasty. Hey, smile. No, smile, nigga. Oh, you got dip. Bad?
Yo, nasty.
You done?
Done?
You passed it.
Pass the hoe.